Unison 1, citywide units, getting a couple calls for a person shot, 112 speed. I got 25 east on Washington, 2 people shot, fire responding. 16 north on Wabash, person shot, fire is headed to the Cornadeer. That's all in one, zone 4.
33, we'll start heading that way.
You're all I have, ma'am. Thanks so much. The third ticket is saying... Third ticket for the shots fired, Wabash and Madison. A passing taxi heard 7 shots in front of the TJ Maxx in Burlington. Got a half a page of tickets now for shots fired and people shot. Counts on it. 5 and 1, zone 4.
120. Send me that.
Show me heading to that shot fired.
33.
61 David. Show us going there first.
61 David.
Sam, around 2 minutes ago, I do have people run from the area.
2 people running. Was that a direction or a description with that?
Multiple people running from the area about 2 minutes ago, so probably bona fide.
4522 emergency.
45 go.
Hey, we got 2 people shot. Look like 2 people shot right here. 15, 25. Wabash.
Give me the good numbers on Wabash, sir.
Yes, we need a couple of over here.
Yeah, we have all of that. We got the ambulances coming. Give me the good address for you.
Yes, give me an ambulance. We need at least 2 ambulances over here.
We understand that. I have ambulances responding. What address are you giving me? First District Car on the scene, please give me a good address for this unit. That is 4522 on scene. Not sure which address. I have Madison and Wabash. All I have is Madison and Wabash for my tickets. I don't know where they are. 4522. If you have a good location.
Madison and Wabash.
Okay, thank you. They're at Madison and Wabash. I do have paramedics coming for 2 people shot. If there's more, let me know.
16! 16! North Wabash.
I think he's yelling 16 North Wabash. 16 North Wabash.
So Wabash, we're going to need a car to cut off the street between Washington and Wabash. Cut that off. Block traffic.
112.
112.
Okay, I'll put it on the paper.
113 seconds with that as well.
13 is coming out the station to go. 13, I'm going to have you on the traffic, please.
Right there, Washington Wallace at the lake. No one else can come. Call that lake. Charlie Boy, 877-1. I guess the direction of flight of being down Wabash, going southbound squad.
That was Charlie Boy 8771 headed southbound. Charlie Boy 8771 headed southbound. Did they describe the vehicle that plate was on? It's going to be a bad plate if it's Illinois. I'm asking now. If there's a vehicle description for that Charlie Boy 8771, which is either a partial or a bad plate.
What kind of car is this?
Thomas, I'm to pull the traffic through.
4522. I have Charlie Boy 8771 on a plate. Does anybody have a description or a color of this vehicle? Is there any unit with any description on the vehicle that's headed southbound? Anybody have any vehicle information? Okay, I got no cars on the ticket. Somebody yelled out a parcel, Charlie Boy 8771 headed southbound from that location. That's all we have.
What was that partial for?
Charlie Boy 8771.
171, we're at the hospital.
71 at Northwestern, 1233.